Hey, welcome back to part 3. Again, I don't love this camera. But as I was saying, I love how, work for Cybertron and then the C's and then they give you the actual numbers so you can kind of follow in suit in order. Like 9 might be a Battlemaster, but 10 might be an actual Deluxe class Transformer. By the way, this is a Deluxe class. Even though yeah, that's right on the side there, Deluxe class. So this one's kind of form up. Wow, instructions just came out super duper easy. I really don't want to break the box, so I'm trying to see where the rest of the tape is. Because, I mean, the art one, the box, how they're doing it for the, the Deluxe class fitters is just fantastic. So there's going to be tape back here and also tape over here. But no tape on this side, just to let you know. So back here we kind of have like this little Cybertron thing, which gets ruined by all these like little recycle symbols over there. Down here, the affected transformer, so it's not a KO, not off bootleg one. Which you can also see that, right there, which is the same thing as put it inside here. So let's get to the transformer and unsnap everything that's all snapped in here. So this one's easy to get to all these little, tie downs that they tie it down with. Which, I mean, there's other ones that they just don't really need tie downs, and the ones that they do, they don't. But this one, kind of easy, I would say. So, let's see if we can get the feet to kind of go a little. In the package, the feet's a little mistransformed, but you could get it to transform like this. So, he's not that tall. And I probably should grab one of my other transformers to do a size comparison. So let's see here. Here we go. Power of the Primes Hot Rod. So, both of these are Deluxe class, although you notice this one's a little bit of a shorter one, which is kind of a good thing because they're kind of in the WFC-S lineup. They're kind of making the Transformers more to proportion that you see them in the movies and in the anime. So, like, for example, if there was a Bumblebee standing next to Optimus Prime, B would be a lot shorter, would come to, like, maybe Prime's waist, which, in the anime, Bumblebee was a little shorty, compared to Prime and Prowl and, Hound and Cliffjumper and all those ones and Red Alert, he was a little short Transformer, which I love how they're going with this. If they're short in the anime, the toy's going to be short to the other one, even though they're both in the same series. So, for example, what you can see here, both of these are Deluxe Quest fitters, but he's a little bit shorter, he's a little bit taller, kind of like in the anime, which I'll say, going for the actual true size proportion is a great move that they did. So, that's quite cool. Let's move him off to the side here. So he has all different combiner port holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then right there is 8. So this guy can be armored up to like 8 weapons. Articulation, the head does not move. So that's a bummer. Arms can rotate up to here, and then due to the wings, which you can actually fold the wings back. Oh, 8, 9, 10. So you can actually put 10 pieces of armor on him if you want to. So arms rotate there, up, down, bend, like that. No waist, because he is 2 parts that combine. Almost like Battle Trap. Unfortunately, this tail piece is not flip up or over. I would love if you could kind of move that across onto the back, or just move it up. But legs can only go this far back due to the fit's tail of the plane. They could go this far up. Let me move his arm out that far to the side. They can rotate. They could bend. And due to transformation, he does have a little bit of an ankle movement for his foot. So let's kind of get him somewhat back there. Now his guns are kind of special. He can wield both guns individually in his hand, or you can take the little gun and put it into the big gun because there's a little hole right there in the back of it, and give him one big long gun. So he can hold one big long gun, or a little shorty gun, and mid-range gun. So he could have it like this. So that's pretty cool. And yes, in this lineup they are kind of doing the battle scarred, which is really paint smudges, as you can see on the treads, which actually I would say kind of looks good on tanks. The whole paint smudge thing that they're going with. Here's Skytread's little thing. Now notice, you do not get any collectible bio cards with the WFC-S series. For the other ones, you were getting the little bio cards. It's like here, you can combine the gun, how to put them together, how to take them apart, how to flip them into the two individual things, armor them up if you want to. And then kind of back here, it's talking about, Micro Masters, Battle Masters, and Fire Blasters. So, and then you can equip a Fire Blaster onto the weapon to kind of have like a fire effect. Now here, it kind of tells you what the two guns are. So, this is something that we never had before, which is kind of neat. So, the EM24 IR Laser Launcher. So, this is the EM24 IR Laser Launcher. That's what this big gun is. And this little gun is the HV Electronic Breacher. So, you have one that's a long range gun, laser gun, and the other one is a electro breacher. So it could breach like doors of ships and bases and stuff, I guess. So this one, strength is not that great, range is not that great, but it does have a lot of firepower. This one, a lot of strength, good range, and a lot of fire, and not that much firepower, which you would think would be reversed because long range versus short range, but oh well. Anyway, let's get this thing transformed here. So you just kind of snap him too, which kind of like the battle trap, which I never got. Which one was battle something, the other one was trap something. One was a car, one was a helicopter. Kind of like the same idea going on with this. They want us to work with this little fella first, so take this and flip that up, and they'll also move his head up. So nowadays like this, take the arms and have them going like this. Okay. Then we collapse them. Oh no. Then we somehow take. Again, here comes bad instruction.